Hello YouTube, I'm Mandy. This is Mandy's Makeup Adventures, and on today's adventure, this is a promised video. I promised you guys we would do a blue look tutorial with the Jeffree Star Ranch palette. Very excited to do that. And yay, let's just get into it. I have my favorite blue top on, which came from Shein, and it's such good quality, so pretty. I love the flowy nature of it, and it's super cute. It's a crop type top. It's not like super short, but it's not very long, so it's really beautiful. I have my nails all blue, so we're ready for this blue look. So let's get started. We're starting with the only matte blue, which is Grand Prismatic. And I need my perfect fluffy brush. That is too big. My favorite fluffy brush is from Luxie. It's the 231. That is my favorite fluffy brush. Okay. Just gotta clean it off a little bit because I used it for my last video. All right. Gonna get out this pretty mirror because I think it goes with my outfit and it looks super cute. Okay. We're gonna start, obviously I have already put down eyeshadow primer. I used the Juvia's Place Eye Prep, Eye Prime. And let's get started with the Grand Prismatic shade. I always like to start on the outside corner. Well, I don't always like to start on the outside corner, but I often start on the outside corner, especially when I'm going to be building in the crease. Because usually you want it to be a little lighter on the inside than it is on the outside. So that's why I start out there and then drag the color inward. And then just kind of want to go through and fluff. So I think we're gonna do a cut crease just for funsies. Gonna use our Jeffree Star concealer in C2 that I love so much. And we're gonna do let's do a rounded cut crease. I'll show you what I mean. So right here, we're gonna swirl around. You see what we did? Swirl around kind of like a wave, but that makes it like a whole different ball game. It's just a little round shape. Let's see if I can do the same thing on this side. And I think what I'm gonna do is strengthen up the Grand Prismatic color right behind. The spot where it's rounded. Ooh, that looks so pretty. And guys, don't be scared of this just because it has a cut crease in it. When doing cut creases, it depends on your eye shape, what you're going to want to do, but just having a basic shape, knowing that you're going to round it around, it should work out just fine. And then I strengthen that up around those areas using just a big fluffy brush. I am going to go back in with more concealer because I feel like that's not what it needs to be, especially on this side. Okay, and now we're going to use my favorite blue shimmer, which is the Old Jeff. It's so pretty, so pigmented. That's what we're going to use on the cut crease area. So pretty. Because of the shape of this cut crease, it looks like a wave. It's so cool. And we're also going to take this color and put it in the corner. So that's what that looks like. Don't worry, because we'll add some definition because these colors are very, very similar. The shimmer is very similar to the matte color. It's just so pretty. He really does so well with shimmer shades. The formula is so dreamy. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing on this one. Put that same blue. You know what I think I like most about this green is it's kind of a duochrome with a little bit of like a seafoam green kind of flip to it. Okay, and now we're going to use the dark blue shade, and that's called Winter Wind. And we're going to take that on top of that matte blue that we outlined. And we're going to outline that wave shape with the dark blue shimmer. And it makes that pretty wave look. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, and then we're finishing out by putting that color all over where we put the matte color before. And it looks like a wave. It's so pretty. We'll do the same thing to the other side. So pretty. I think the whole palette is so pretty. And I love his blue palette, but these are the tones of these. Wow. And here is that finished look from the blue tutorial from Star Ranch. All I did was take that dark shade, this one, Winter Wind, and put that right underneath the lash line. I used my Juvia's Place Royal Blue pencil in the waterline. I used Stripper Magic as my highlight, and I am beaming. Absolutely love it. I actually used this Amazonian clay from Tarte. This is my first time using it, and I used it with my fingers, so it looks really pretty. I really like the way that it looks, right? Doesn't it look so pretty? So that's cool. And this is in light to medium neutral is what I have on, and I really like that. Same blush. I keep using Bella Pink from Moira Cosmetics. I used my Becca bronzer. I think this is the Chrissy Teigen style. I don't know. I feel like there's something to that. And then I used my Beauty Bakery flower to set the under eye area with this Amazonian clay. It is so opaque that I did not need to use concealer. So if that's something that appeals to you, that might be a good thing to do. So, oh, and I also used brand new from my Jeffree Star box. This is the Blow My Candles. I love this neutral. It's really light lip. Beautiful. So what do we think about this gorgeous blue look? I absolutely love it. I hope that you guys have an easy time following that tutorial. And if you have not entered to win this, you need to click on my face and go down through my videos. And very recently, there is one that says she's here, and it's got the Jeffree Star boxes in the background. And click on that video because that's the giveaway for this Star Ranch palette. Also, the Blood Money, and a Z palette with a ton of singles in it. That's all going to be up for grabs on that video. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate you guys. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do that now. Hit the like button. I love it. And chat with me in the comments. Do you love the Star Ranch palette? Are you using it? Do you have it? Did you get the boxes? Or are you just excited to maybe win my giveaway? I'm sure other people are giving this away as well. I would get it on all the giveaways if I could, for sure, because it's such a good palette. And it won't be available until he releases the collection surrounding it. So, thank you so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!